Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. In this lesson we will continue with the views. What is the views? We can say that basically views are artificial tables. What is the artificial tables then? So we able to use select queries only. We can't use insert, we can't use delete and update queries. We only able to use a select, and it allows us for example, if you remember, we are merging queries using inner joins and try to find a lots of reports from our sales of our products or from our clients. So if we have really long and really hard to write queries, we are merging them in one view and we just call the view, that's all. Alright, let's create one view and you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, first of all we need to create a query, then I'm going to assign it to a view. Okay, let's select start from TBL sales function 5. We have a data here. Now I'm going to add inner join TBL client on client ID must be equal TBL client dot ID. Alright, let's function 5. We brought our clients. Let's add our client's first name, last name. Alright, I want to bring balance. Perfect. And let's make them all group by first name, last name, and balance. I don't want to repeat the results. Control V, function 5. Perfect. Now I would like to see, actually before grouping by, let's make this section command. I would like to see sold date for each sales. Alright. But instead of sold date, I would like to see how many days passed between today and the buying day. So to see that, let's use date difference, which is asking us an interval which is going to be a day. So start date, sold date, and today is gate day. Function 5. Alright, as you can see, Michael, Amanda, Michael. Alright, so okay, I would like to have an average day for all transactions belong to each customer. So I'm going to get excuse me, let me drink a water. Alright, I'm going to use average function, but now we're going to sorry, we're going to get an error. It is asking us to use group by, and we already made it ready. Let's let's use group by function 5. Where is the problem here? Average, okay, from TBL sales. Inner join clients on table client ID, then client ID, group by first name, last name, and balance. I guess we need to add salt date. No. Uh, what is the problem here? Then salt date. Yeah, we brought a salt date here. Let me have a look. But the problem is we couldn't get the average. Let me have a look again. Function 5. Yeah, we couldn't get the average then. So I would like to use average salted for each customer according to each product. Function 5. Yeah, here we go. This is working now. I don't know why we had an error previously. Perfect. So we have our clients. This is Amanda balance. This is the average day has been passed from the first buy and today. So 13 day. If we do the calculation, it's been just only 13 day uh, passed once she buy the items. All right, and let's make some adjustments. I'm going to use left function here to use a little bit different type of show my customer's name. All right, let's say this section as a full name. Perfect. Full name. And this is the balance. And this is the average. I'm gonna bring it down. Let's bring it down. Let's say as average by date. Function 5. Perfect. And anything else should we add? Let's have a look quickly. All right, perfect. It seems everything is ready. So now I'm going to assign this query to a view. To do that, create view. Let's give a name. Observe client. Perfect. As and function 5. Commands completed successfully. Let's have a look our views. Right click on it, refresh. Here we go. This is our view. Now rest of them is easy. If you would like to call your view, all you need to do is select star from your view name, observe client. Let's function 5. Observe, sorry. Function 5. Here we go. This is our select query just we created a couple of minutes ago, and now it's in a view. Now all we need to do is calling this view to see our report. All right. If you would like to alter, it is going to same with the DML command. Just alter view observe client as. Now all you need to do is type new commands. Just select star from TBL sales. Function 5. Let's make the section command and let's run our observe client again, execute. As you can see, this is basic TBL sales table. Okay, I'm going to bring my original query. Let's alter it, function 5. All right, let's make this command again. Let's see our view again, execute. Here we go. Perfect. So you now how to create a view, you know how to call them, and you know how to alter them. Now let's try to use UI. Okay, this is your observe client. Let's refresh again. Right click on it and click the design. As you can see, you will able to see the wizard of UI. Okay, let's normally, if you would like to add a new table or something, as I told you before, you can use alter view and you just uncomment here, change create to alter and do whatever you would like to change. But now I'm gonna do the changes from UI section. Let's come to UI again. Okay, so if you would like to add a data, but before that, let me show you the UI. As you can see, the lower section shows you the query, which is written automatically by the wizard. This query is the same what we typed here. Okay, so once you add anything, the query string will be updated. Okay, let's add a table here. Right click on the empty space, let add, and I would like to see this city information as well. I'm going to click cities, add, all done. Now we add our city information here. Okay, to add our city, you can type here as well, or you can add your information from this section. Okay, I'm going to add a column which is going to be city name. Okay, and it's belong to cities table, and I would like to see it. If you don't want to see it, just click off this tick and it will be in the query string, but you won't see it anymore. Okay, so it's going to be grouped by our group by filter. Everything is perfect. Let's see the result now. Right, select the query, function 5. So execute SQL. As you can see, we able to see our city name. Let's use the alias. I'm going to change the city name to just city. As you can see, this is our city name inserted to our select section as city. And let me have a look our inner join. This is TBS's inner join clients, and this is the TB clients ID inner join and city. As you can see, this is the other inner join section. Perfect. All right, let's try to run again with the name alias. As you can see, this is city. Okay, let's save it now and let's call our query again, execute. As you can see, we have city information with us. Okay, let's go back our client. So you can add your expressions or filter or whatever you want. As you can see, there are some explanations. Let's have a look. This is, it means using group by here. Same as here. As you can see, this is group by sign. And also you can see, you can add a constraint, a filter. Let's try to add a filter. This time, let's use our, um, actually, I'm not going to use this one because I already changed my query string. Now it's not valid. Let's continue from here. I'm going to add a filter for, let's have a look. For example, I would like to see the balances, or I would like to see the average by column. For example, smaller than 14 days or bigger than 14 days. Let's have a look. This is our average filter. All right, bigger than 14. Let's have a look. As you can see, having average date difference, blah blah blah, must be bigger than 14. It is having because it is used after group by. Okay, let's select this section, right click and execute. As you can see, Mr. Green and Mr. Trump has more than 14-day average day about their balances. So this is a report that you can use in your sales for your company. All right, let's keep it like that and let's save it. Come back here and let's see our client now. Let's execute. All right. It's always show you which customer has due to payment, for example. So you can use the views like this to having a report. All right, perfect. I assume you understand. If you would like to go through with the queries, it's really easy. Right click on it and let me have a look. Click design. Okay. Open this section. Just copy this query. Copy. Okay. Let's bring it here and paste it. As you can see, your query is here and you can work on it if you would like to go through with the query syntax. Alright. I'm gonna delete it now. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this lesson here. Hopefully you understand how we using views. As I told you before, there is similarity and mostly differences between the procedure. Never mix them up. The other major difference between the procedure, um, Weave never takes parameters. Okay, you can just consider the Weave artificial tables, which helps us to take reports from our data. Okay, now I'm going to save this query. Query list for views. Save it. Close it. Should I save it? Okay. Let's push them to our local repository. Okay, cd desktop, cd MSSQL, git check out development, git add all of them, git commit --m view lessons function 5, no function 1, just enter. Alright, git check out main, git merge with development, and let's have a look if everything is correct. We have lessons synchronized with both branch. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, do not forget to drop comment below the video, and if you hit the like button, it really helped me to create new contents. Take care of yourself. See you next lesson. Bye bye.